Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. This week at the Customs House we attempt to keep some of the cold out. We got kind of a cold draft up on the second floor that we're going to try block today. And guess what else we're doing? We're down in the basement doing jacks because I think that's all we do lately, so why don't you join along for the ride? Come check it out and enjoy this beautiful sunrise with me. Okay, it's the room, not the room, the bathroom, the door to the bathroom, which we can see is just in here. But over this way, this is the door that goes upstairs to what used to be the third floor or the servants' quarters, which is not in use anymore. If anybody's seen any of the older videos, you'll know a little bit more about what's up at the top of the stairs. The roof, basically. So during the winter months, we've noticed it gets very, very cold in here, and that door would have a lot to do with that. So today we're just gonna pop some insulation over this area over the winter for sure, just to keep this space a little bit more heated. It's pretty cold when your bum hits that. Bill's pulling up some tiles here, as you can see. And revealing another layer of linoleum. Way nicer, as far as I'm concerned, underneath than what's on top.
20 years, every 20 years, I think.
Yeah, probably.
We think 10.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna cut it off just to the doorway here for the bathroom. Just so we are not tripping up in it, because all these layers of linoleum is getting caught underneath the door and it's kind of being a bit of a pain.
Just a little bit. Ooh.
Oh, so we've got that. Oh.
Ooh, what's this one?
Can we see that? Here.
I haven't seen this one before.
Whoops. Sorry for the interesting camera angle. I said sorry for the interesting camera angle, but we got a little layer of...
Ooh, let's go for a bit.
Are you going to go further? Okay.
Because now I want to see. Oh, cardboard.
What's the red layer there? There's
It's
another
letters
layer.
on the cardboard.
Oh, okay, it's just cardboard. It got tucked under there because obviously there's a gap there. Well, and that's because this would have been the beginning of the stairway. Sorry, this was a door that went up to the servants' quarters. That's the servants' door to the third floor behind the styrofoam there. And so the space that I'm currently standing in behind the camera here is actually would have been stairs that went down to the main floor, where the kitchen is. that's it for here. So at least it's, I feel like it's hot already. It could be the fact that I'm wearing a hoodie. Could be the fact that I'm hot, yeah. So there we go. A little patch repair for us, temporary in nature, but will make a huge difference when we're sitting on the toilet late at night. All right, so we're just gonna do a quick walk around the house and point out some of the things that have changed. So here in the second floor bedroom, this is on the Port Club side, facing the boat. The ceiling here, I mean, you can certainly see in some spots, we've got some large spaces, which there were spaces here prior, but since jacking the house, we definitely have noticed some changes. So some boards that were previously painted together have since come apart, and we have a little bit more, I don't know what you would call that, buckling, warping. Now we have had water also here in on this corner along this edge. You can see where water has previously dripped through there. So, but with respect to changes in the house since that time, we've seen some of those. There is a larger crack over here in the corner. There's a little bit of a bigger space there. And of course, directly over the door. And this is where we've seen a lot of cracking throughout the house, is above those door frames. Cracks getting larger. It's funny to remember where the cracks were and which ones are new and which ones are old, but these above the door here obviously were cracked and repaired before, but we can see where it's kind of cracked over top of the existing cracks, and these are fresh. Okay, and the furnace came on just because I'm filming, of course. Anyways, we have plaster popped off one of the drywall screws here in the kitchen. And then, of course, just above the doorway into the kitchen, we have this lovely giant crack, which Katie marked off there. It was about a week ago. So you can see it's made a little bit of progress, but when you think about it, to be expected when it's above a doorway like this. So, and then downstairs, as you make your way from the hallway into the dining room on the other side there, we can see some previous plaster type repairs that have since come apart again. Oh, somebody's having fun upstairs. And the interesting thing we know in this hallway is the upper portion still remains as plaster above the picture rail. Below the picture rail has hardboard that was added years ago. And so thanks for interrupting, Teddy. Great timing. Anyways, the above the chair rail or the picture rail is plaster, and below is hardboard, and that hardboard obviously is not showing anywhere, even though there are, I'm sure, lots of cracks behind. Here in the living room, we have cracks. This, in all honesty, this room had the most cracks. But the cracks have gotten bigger in some spots. Certainly down here we've had, yeah, it's gotten bigger. The cracks, some of the paint and plaster is coming off. And this would be both above this window here and of course this window over here, which would be expected because this window was previously a bay window. And so it would only make sense that because there was a bay here, that this portion would be weaker here, and it's been joined above where you can see where the bay used to be, where it used to go out to where the bay was, and they've used several pieces to patch repair when they made this a flat space, or a flat wall, I should say, and took out the bay. And then lots of other cracking that you see. And like I said, a lot of these cracks were previously here. Some of them have just gotten a little bit worse. Yeah. Hiding some over by the TV here. Yeah, you can definitely tell these are fresher cracks that you can see. Oh. And somebody got a haircut today, so he's quite happy.
Where's the towel? Yeah. Don't you?
And of course now in the dining room, as you look into the hallway and living room there, we see, again, above the doorways, lots more cracking up to the ceiling there. And this would be supported by the beam, which is basically running somewhere right around here. So there's a lot of pressure here on this wall here, as well as the wall on the living room side. So yeah, it's taken a lot of weight. So we're doing this slowly but surely, but we're seeing positive improvements. And really, I have to say, some of the big improvements here have been in the hallway. Certainly walking through the hallway is a lot more solid. And certainly the stairs have still got a lean on the stairs. We've still got a little ways to go, but it has definitely improved. As well as on the second floor hallway as well. Definitely less bouncy for sure. So, okay, so I said we'd be jacking on the basement. We actually already did the jacking. I'm not going to put you through the pain of watching me jack up the posts in the basement again, but I did come downstairs to actually run through some of the measurements so we can see what kind of changes we made. So let's have a look. Okay, so I'm at the far end of the basement, port club side. Block that light so we can see a little bit better here. The first tag, and I haven't even shot the laser over this far to see if there's been any changes over here, but we haven't. There's been a little bit of jacking on this one post, but very minor, so I don't expect any major changes there. Here we've got, again, something I haven't bothered to change. I did do one measure on this guy here, and sorry, hard to see there, but we went from 1 3/8 to 3/4. Here we've gone from 2 to 1 3/4 now to 1 1/4. Two and a half, 2 to 1 1/2. 2 3/4. What did we go to there? 2 1/2, and we're now at 2 1/4. Or sorry, geez, I can't even read my own writing. That's 1 3/4. This one we've made some significant progress as well. That was 2 1/2, down to 2, down to 1 3/8 on that guy there. So, I mean, this is exactly what we were hoping to see. Incremental improvements happening over time. The house hasn't blown away in the last storm, so that's always a good sign. And we're getting closer to where we need to be. Slow and steady as she goes. And there we go. That's my 0 point here. So this is the beam that I measure 0 from. So we're basically trying to level the house with this corner over here. We got a big announcement, but you have to watch the next episode in order to find out what that big announcement is. And I'm sure you'll want to know what that is. And when you find out, I'm pretty sure you're going to follow along as well. So again, thanks so much for making it to the end of this episode. And thanks for joining us. Make sure if you like this content, hit that thumbs up button, like this content, and subscribe.